If you're looking to start an online business, this video is exactly for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use VlogMe.AI platform to create AI ads, AI product ads, AI UGC ads, and then sell it to e-commerce businesses at a profit.
Unleash your power at Miami Gyms Inc. Start your journey with us today.
First step is you go to facebook.com/ads/library. Here you can find businesses that are currently running ads. Choose United States. This is going to be the biggest market. Choose all ads and type in a word that you want to find e-commerce businesses advertising for. So we're currently looking for e-commerce businesses. Now, if we go lower, we also find this, and then we can find this one as well. There's really tons and tons and tons of different opportunities where we can create ads for these brands. So for example here, right, these guys are creating content and they have an e-commerce product. Here they also have content, so they have some kind of a, bottles like that. So they basically are creating real content. Seems like they're creating real content, not AI content. It's very, very expensive and it costs a lot of money. Also, is very, very slow. What we need to do is once we find these brands, we need to find their contact information. Okay, so here's a phone number. There is also a website on there, so you can go over there and you can contact them that way. You can also message them on Instagram and other platforms that they have over here. This is the way how you can reach out to them. Now, what you're going to be sending to them is fairly simple. So what we effectively are offering is AI UGC videos for your brand. You can also write AI UGC product videos for your brand. Now this, if they want a sample, we're going to get one of these photos from their catalog, okay? And we can put it into VlogMe.AI and we can create those those ads as just one example if they are interested and they want to work with us. Now, assuming that you do that, you reach out to enough companies and you basically get the first client. Now, how do you actually create these ads? Because this is one of the easiest services with AI that you can resell/drop service right now. Businesses are consistently looking for fresh TikTok ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and YouTube shorts because video content simply typically performs better. The problem is that, hiring real UGC creators costs a ton of money. Like this simple ad seems like is nothing, right? But this content creator, especially if she is in the United States, is gonna charge a few $100s to perhaps even $1,000 if the video is complicated enough. So it's not cheap, okay? And these brands need a lot of these creatives. So that's why businesses are continuously looking for creatives for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook ads, YouTube shorts. Now, so today I'm going to show you how to actually create ads using this platform that you can resell, drop service to e-commerce brands. And not only that, but also how you would approach selling it to them. I already showed you the email template, but let's first create one of these ads. Okay, so the first step is to basically upload a photo as a reference or generate one with AI. As you can see here, you can add a reference image, or here you can add a sentence of what you want the photo to be. So I'm adding this prompt and clicking run. I'm going to be creating a 19:16 vertical video. So that's why I'm creating the image in these proportions. For product ads, I recommend using high quality front-facing portrait with good lighting because it gives the most realistic results. But what is nice with generating it from scratch is that we're creating an AI presenter without actually recording a single second of video. That alone can save hours compared to traditional creation. The photo is actually already generated and it's saved in the lab. And now we need to go to the second step, which is actually write the video script. You can either write your own script or let VlogMe.AI generate one with AI. write in a simple sentence what you want it to do. By the way, you can also add audio and you can modify voice, you can add music, all of that stuff. So what effectively you want to do, you want to click on voice. If you have something already, you can add it. If not, you can go to generate and you can choose different kinds of voices, different accents. We can check how this actually sounds. So let's see.
This degree cost me a lot of tears and caffeine.
हाँ हाँ सब ठीक है दोस्त बोला YouTube शुरू
You see, they have different languages too, okay? So we're gonna click on female, we're gonna go American, and we go this one.
Success is riding the biggest. Hi, I'm Neva, an ultra.
What about this?
In the quiet moments between dinosaurs once roamed the earth beneath the same stars we see today.
This degree cost me a lot of tears.
Yeah, let's go for that. And you can also do multilingual. What should the voice say? Right with AI. Promote me a gym called Miami Gyms Inc. 6 seconds script. Yeah, that's good. That is good. Generate the voiceover.
Join Miami Gyms Inc. today and transform your life. Ready to crush your.
Okay, audio, add audio, and we have this. I'm gonna select that. So we have the image. By the way, if you subscribe to the paid version, there won't be a watermark. So the video is nearly there. I just need to generate the missing shots. And now I can just create the video. It is going to be created. So what is really cool is that VlogMe, like I showed you, offers multiple different languages, which is incredibly useful if you're working with international clients. So imagine your client wants a video in the exact same text, but different languages. Could be English, Spanish, German. Instead of hiring 3 different creators, they can simply work with you and you can create them these videos in all these languages. That's a huge advantage. And a small agency or even a single individual yourself, you can basically create these ads in different languages to your clients. And like I said, the final step is waiting for this video to generate. I'm creating 9:16 format because vertical formats are actually really good and it's a lot easier to create short videos instead of an hour video. Generating with these tools an hour video is actually pretty complicated. You have to stitch it from many parts, but this is why it's perfect for product ads like this. It's perfect, okay? Because these ads typically are very short. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. As you can see, it's doing it in the background. AI automatically automates, synchronizes with the speech, and produces a talking avatar ready for social media. So let me show you the video.
Unleash your power at Miami Gyms Inc. Start your journey with us today.
I mean, that's pretty cool, right? I could totally see it being used in some of these ads. Absolutely. So I just showed you how to create these videos, okay? If you have a product, you can also add it as reference, exact same way like I did right now, okay? And how would I actually sell these videos? So once again, I actually wouldn't sell it as AI video creation, AI content creation. First, I would find e-commerce stores on Facebook ads library or even local businesses in the United States using, for example, Google Maps. And then I would literally cold email or cold call them or cold DM them on Instagram and offer them the service. I gave you this script, this email that you can use. Literally, I would package this as a business solution. For example, 5 TikTok product ads, 10 monthly Meta UGC videos. Also, you can offer multilingual product advertisements. This is really, really amazing. And also, you could frame it as a weekly content package, not a monthly one, okay? And businesses typically won't care if you're doing it with AI or not. They care about the end result. If the end result looks good, they won't mind. And by the way, some of the AI videos right now, they're kind of interesting. They're kind of looking slightly different than real creators. And a lot of the time, it will actually perform really well in paid media on Facebook, on TikTok, and stuff like that. Clients don't care about the actual tech, the actual AI, whatever, but the end result, if you position it as the end result looking good, being effective for their ads, is going to be totally fine. I really think right now, one of the best niches in AI drop servicing is actually creating product ads for e-commerce businesses with AI. You can do it yourself. You don't need any freelancers or anything. You can learn it yourself and sell it to e-commerce brands. I actually think VlogMe.AI is a great platform. I was able to get a really good video done in literally just under 10 minutes. But this is significantly better for businesses than hiring actual real creators, recording multiple takes, and spending so much time and so much money on multiple ad variations. Is this a replacement for these brands? So do they not order any other creators or whatever? No. Some brands won't want to use AI ads, but other brands don't mind, especially those that need large volumes. They really can't deal with so many creators. They would rather work with an agency or individual who can generate them with AI. So this is really good for social media ads, product marketing, educational content, sales, quick promotional videos, quick campaigns. I think is a really practical solution for these cases. So if I was starting AI drop servicing today, I would seriously consider AI UGC ads, reselling it to e-commerce businesses, because the demand for short form content for ads isn't slowing down anytime soon, and I think it's actually going to grow even faster. So if you want to try VlogMe.AI, I dropped the link in my description. You can sign up. You're also going to get some free credits to try. So I hope that you found this useful, and I'm going to see you in this video next.